Jothurwa. Ang'eyo ni un gi lit. Kendo un gi rem. Beduru mana gi kwe kende. Nyasaye bro miwa lot. Ji osebedo kawoyo marach ewi bondo ka. Wakuod wigi. Kendo wanyisgi ni bondo ka nigi sibor. They wrote for me a speech, but today I have nothing to say. I want to thank you all, and there are a few people here I would like to specifically thank. To the staff of Baba, led by George Okong Opondo, Mr. Andrew Mondo, thank you for your loyalty and support. To Dennis Onyango, Keta Onyango, Morris Ocheng, Jack Nyamburi, Florence Olang, Ibrahim Auma, Jeff Oyer, Emmanuel Wanson, and others, thank you. To the staff of East Africa Spectre, Jof, and all the other officers, thank you. To Washington, Martin, Victor, Rose, Jackie, David, Caleb, Steve, Joanne, Joyce, and others, thank you. And finally, to the late George Odwor, Eric Ominde, Juma, and my partner, Maurice Ogeta. On behalf of the Odinga family, thank you all for your love and service. Your Excellency, our people appreciate you honoring our father. Thank you for standing with us. You should also know, in case you are wondering, I'm ready to come back home, if you were wondering. To all the leaders we visited around the world, I will return personally to thank you. Thank you, Kenya. God bless you all. God bless the Republic. God bless Baba's legacy. Long, the king is dead, but long live the crown. Thank you.
Fellow mourners, Joey, Jothurwa Joey, Joey. I want to take this opportunity now to invite Winnie Odinga, not Winnie, Rosemary Odinga, to come and also give her eulogy. Karibu, Rosemary.